Good morning, Eagle Nation. It is Thursday, also known as Friday Eve, or as Mr. Cruz put it earlier today, Friday Junior. Today is the 102nd day of school, and it is the 26th of January. Please join me in beginning our day with just a moment of silence. Thank you. And now, your morning announcements.
It's getting to the point where I don't cry anymore. I am sorry. Sometimes it hurts so badly I must cry out loud. I am lonely. I am yours. You are mine. You are what you are.
What a great song. That was Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young. And in loving memory of Stephen Crosby, who died earlier this week. That's Judy Blue Eyes. It's a fantastic song. And if you can get to the it's so good. So good. Anyway, great song. Great way to start our day. Wherever you may be, please stop. Please stand. Let's rise together for this morning's Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Let's push. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And my question to you is not about push-ups. It's about reminding yourself every day, what are you doing to build strength over time? The 1% of aggregate gains, it happens slowly, imperceptibly, but slowly through accretion. It builds up, and it matters. So what are you doing to build healthy habits over time? What small thing are you doing that might be small for today, but that over time would add up to make a big difference? Are you studying your math facts? Do you know your times tables to 12? Can you add and subtract quickly, within 20, for example? Do you know subitation? Can you look at a series of dots on a page and readily recognize it for how many they are? These are some possible things that you could consider. Also, sight words would be another one. Now, what's going on? On this Thursday, Disney's Musicals in Schools continues. This morning, though, we'll be celebrating Students of the Month. Ms. Talamante sent out an email to all of you teachers, just as a reminder of who is being celebrated today, but parents were invited. We're hoping to see them, and we're expecting in the range of about 80 people today, between parents and students, to be recognized, or rather, the students to be recognized for exhibitions, demonstrations, or growth of our 3 school values: respect, responsibility, and care. And to that end, I want to highlight the fact that this week alone, several people have cared enough and been responsible enough to report things. They've reported water leakages. They've reported missing materials. They've reported concerns about dangerous items. This is in regards to both staff and to students. If you see something, say something. Care enough about yourself and about others to speak up. And my job, my role is to make sure that I am responsive to that, and so are the other people charged with your safety and well-being. So please keep reporting. Thank you for doing that regularly, and please don't stop doing so. It's incumbent upon all of us to build a safe, healthy community of which we are all a part. Looking ahead, what's going on? In addition to Students of the Month this morning and Disney Musicals and Schools After School, who's here today in our attendance? Well, as of Wednesday, our attendance rate was at 86 for the day, and then yesterday, 88.4. Progress. Not enough progress, but the arrow's pointing in the right direction. Thank you for being here today. And if you were here before the late bell ring, thank you for being here on time. An on-time arrival does matter. You matter, and thank you for doing that. We continue our celebration of the Lunar New Year. It is the year of the rabbit in China and the year of the cat in Vietnam. And I have some different treats for you today. These are sesame balls. If you would like to try them, by all means, just stop by. They're here till they're not. Yesterday, Wyatt stopped by and said, Mr. Lodato, has anybody stopped by today? I said, no, you're the first. He said, I'd like to try coconut candy. By all means, Wyatt. So Wyatt, thanks for stopping by. To others, I invite you when you have a moment to do just the same. And Happy New Year to all of you who celebrate. With that, let's get to some words of wisdom so you can get to the business of teaching and learning. And today is on the topic of brotherhood. Most of you probably heard the word fellowship. Basically, a fellowship is a group of people that meets and is respectful and friendly with each other. But let's look at the opposite of fellowship. Apartheid, also referred to as apartheid. Apartheid was the exact opposite meaning of the word fellowship. It means apartness, while fellowship means coming together. Apartheid means staying apart. Desmond Tutu was a leader in the country of South Africa, where people with different colored skin have lived apart for a long time. Listen to what he has to say. People are created for togetherness, not apartness. So today, look at the world around you. Notice the results of apartness. Then look again and notice what happens when people come together with respect and fairness. With something to think about. This is Mr. Lodato. Mask up today as needed. Hand sanitize regularly. Take off your hats, your sunglasses, and your hoods. Then stay in your zones, put away your phones, and make it a great day or not, because Judy Blue Eyes.
If I get hard, remember what we said and done, and learn to love each other.